Hey everybody, it's Miss Samantha. Welcome back to Veggie Time at Home. This week we're going to be making some fun end of summer drinks featuring one of my favorite summer fruits that's about to go out of season, peaches. Let's get started. So this first recipe is for a peach and ginger soda. And it's not like soda like Coca-Cola. In this case, soda just means a bubbly drink that's a little bit fizzy. One of my favorite beverages in the whole entire world is seltzer water, which is just like bubbly carbonated water. I think it's incredibly refreshing. And so today I thought it would be great to show you something that combines one of my favorite drinks with one of my favorite summer fruits. Alright, so to make this soda, we're going to need some peaches, some limes, some ginger root, obviously some seltzer water, and some simple syrup. Simple syrup is a mixture of sugar and water that is heated until the sugar dissolves, creating a thin syrup that can be added to pretty much any liquid for flavoring. Today, I also added ginger and lime, which go great with peaches. Alright, so let's slice up this peach, and you want to make sure, again, you have a really ripe peach. You want it to smell good. It's going to look like this on the inside. And it doesn't have to look nice. You just want to slice it up because it's going to get mushy anyway. Alright, so now that we have cut up our peaches, we're going to put some slices into our glass. 3 should be enough. And then we're going to get a spoon and press the peach down into the glass so it gets a little bit mushy, kind of like pulp. This will help get all of the juice that's in the peach out. Alright, so our next step is going to be to pour in the simple syrup. And you want to do about 2 tablespoons of the simple syrup. So there's 1, there's 2. I'm going to add like a little bit more because this spoon is not great. It smells like peaches and ginger. So good. Second to last step. Get the seltzer going. Make sure you do not shake the seltzer bottle. You don't want it to explode everywhere. And you just fill up the glass. Ooh, look at that nice little frothiness. So look at that. Look at the bubbles. Very nice. Alright, so it looks good, smells good. I'm gonna give it one last little stir. Get everything going. Can you all hear that? All right, cheers. Delicious, so good. All right, so now that we've had our peach soda, it's time to have some peach juice. For this, you really just need peaches and water and a little bit of sugar. I'm going to be using a little more of the simple syrup from the first recipe, just because I like the ginger flavor in there. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the first step is going to be to peel our peaches, and you can usually, if the peach is ripe enough, just cut it into slices or quarters and then peel the skin back with your fingers. We're going to pop them in a blender, and we're going to add a little bit of simple syrup if you want, or this is also the time you can just add a little sprinkling of sugar to sweeten it up a little bit. And then we're going to put in some water, and then again make sure that there's an adult around to help you with your blender situation. Once everything's in there, we're just gonna... Then we're gonna take our second favorite glass, because our first favorite glass is for the soda. You're gonna pour your juice in there like that. Cheers again. Alright, well there you have it. We've got our ginger peach soda and our peach juice. I hope you all get to enjoy some more refreshing summer drinks before the seasons change. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!